Hi, I'm Robert. I'm a factory-trained technician with over 2 decades of experience. First off, congratulations on your new generator. You've made a smart choice to protect your home and your family from unexpected outages. In this video, I'm going to share 5 essential tips that every Generac owner needs to know. By the end, you'll feel confident that your generator is ready, reliable, and running smoothly. Let's get started. Let's talk about the exercise cycle. And no, I'm not going to ask you to hit the gym. I'm talking about your generator's weekly self-check. This cycle runs at a low speed for 5 minutes just to keep the engine primed and ready. Your installer likely set this for Mondays at noon, but you can adjust the day, time, and frequency if needed. You can make these changes directly through the control panel of the generator or through your Mobile Link app. Keep an eye out for a future video where I'll dive a little deeper into this topic and show you how to make those changes step by step. Now, let's talk about the LED status lights on the side of your generator. Green means everything is good to go, or as Generac says, ready to run. Yellow is typically a maintenance reminder like checking the battery or the air filter. Now, red requires immediate attention. These alerts are also visible on the Mobile Link app. By upgrading to our Power or Premier plan, we can monitor these alerts in real time, allowing us to address any issues before they become bigger problems. Before we dive into specific tips, here's an important reminder. Keep your Generac owner's manual in a safe and easy to find spot. Along with it, store the generator keys your installer provides, which you'll need to lock and unlock the generator lid. Some clients like to put them in the kitchen junk drawer, and you know the one I'm talking about. It's a small but important step to stay prepared. Let's talk about the air filter. Your generator's air filter works hard to keep dirt and debris out of the engine. In fact, many emergency service calls could have been avoided by performing consistent, basic maintenance. If you're enrolled in one of our maintenance programs, you don't have to worry about the air filter. We'll handle it for you. If you prefer to check it yourself, refer to your owner's manual for guidance. Humidity can make paper air filters swell, restricting airflow, and flame retardants in the air filter can further reduce efficiency as it ages. Replace your air filter annually, or consider upgrading to our GRX Performance air filter to keep your generator running at its best. Surge protection is another critical element. The protection included with your installation meets basic National Electric Code standards, providing up to 10,000 amps of protection. Now, at no extra charge, we've upgraded this to handle up to 25,000 amps. However, surges often originate inside of your home and can exceed even this rating. For better protection, we offer the preferred 50,000 amp surge protector as a premium upgrade. Ask your installer about this while they're on site, and they can install it right away. This will save you time and money, eliminating the need for a return trip or disruptions to your schedule. Check the oil regularly. Your generator is a lot like a car. It needs clean oil to run smoothly. Check and top off the oil after every 24 hours of operation under load. Use 5W20 or 5W30 oil and add small amounts carefully to avoid overfilling. Most air-cooled models hold about 2 quarts of oil, but when checking the dipstick, look for the knurled pattern in 2 small holes near the base. The oil should sit above the bottom hole and just below the top one for the best performance. Refer to your owner's manual for specifics on your exact model. Let's face it, generators need TLC to stay reliable, and that's where our maintenance plans come in. They simplify upkeep and ensure your generator is always ready to perform. Now, I know what you're thinking, another subscription, but hear me out. Imagine not stressing about maintenance or scrambling for service during the storm season. Here are some options that we have. First, we have the seasonal plan, which covers routine maintenance for $29.99 a month. Then we have the Power Plan, which adds 24/7 monitoring with Mobile Link, emergency call support, and diagnostics for $74.95 a month. Then we have the Premier Plan, which includes everything in the Power Plan, plus a lifetime battery warranty and priority service for $99.99 a month. Now, priority service means you'll jump to the front of the line when your generator needs attention. One customer signed up for the Premier Plan just before storm season, and when their generator had an issue during the storm, we dispatched a technician within hours, even as requests poured in. Now, that's the kind of service you can rely on. This is your chance to ensure your home's valuable appliances, electronics, and generator are fully protected and ready for anything. If your installer doesn't mention surge protection or maintenance plans during the installation, please ask them about it. Your generator is here to keep you safe and comfortable. With proper care and the right upgrades, it will serve you for years to come. Talk to your installer about the plan that works best for you. They can set it up while they're on site, or you can use the link below to purchase it directly. And thank you for trusting us. We are here to keep you powered no matter what. I'll see you in the next video.